Even the tidiest people in the world can have disorganized fridges, which can make it hard to find what you're looking for. If you love using table sauces, then you'll know the struggle of trying to fit dozens of half-used bottles in your fridge. But the packets can take up valuable space in the fridge.Instead, store leftover fruit in tall jam jars, especially if you often eat different fruits together, such as blueberries and strawberries. Point 3. Use a tiered shelf for other sauces. If you love using jams and other table sauces, then your fridge can become full of jars. For wider jars that don't fit in your egg carton container, buy a tiered shelf and use that to store your preserves. Keep food groups separate and tidy in individual clear tubs. While you could have 3 tubs for each shelf, dividing them into groups such as dairy or vegetables. It's a good idea to label them to remind yourself of what's inside. Life recommends you create an eat first box to remind yourself of what needs eating up fastest to prevent waste. Meat is the riskiest food to keep in your fridge, as if it leaks it can contaminate other food with dangerous bacteria. Keeping your vegetables together will help you know where to look when searching for a red pepper or that pesky courgette at the back of the fridge.